Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable DocuSign Connect for Salesforce workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable DocuSign Connect for Salesforce workflows, start by logging into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the My Account section in the upper right corner of the dashboard. From there, select Connect under the Integrations menu. Click on the Add Configuration button to set up a new Connect configuration. You will see an option to enter your Salesforce endpoint URL. Next, open Salesforce in a new tab and log into your Salesforce account. In Salesforce, click on the gear icon and select Setup. Use the Quick Find box to search for DocuSign. In the DocuSign administration page, copy the webhook URL provided in the Connect settings. Return to your DocuSign Connect configuration. Paste the webhook URL into the designated field. You may need to customize the event options according to your workflow needs. Make sure to set the appropriate authentication type for your Salesforce instance. After confirming your settings, click Save to create the configuration. Once saved, you will receive a confirmation message indicating the configuration was successful. Return to Salesforce and confirm that the DocuSign Connect app is visible in the installed packages. Test the integration by sending a sample envelope from Salesforce. Check to ensure that the envelope status updates correctly in Salesforce after the recipient has signed. If everything is working as expected, your DocuSign Connect for Salesforce workflows is now enabled. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated DocuSign with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.